Why go bankless? Hello, and welcome to our channel, Pursuit of Wealth. This channel is your ultimate destination for learning about finance and wealth, investing and crypto, informational and educational trends in finance management. If you are someone who wishes to become wealthy and looking for smart money management options, then we are fortunate to have found each other. Are you looking for financial freedom? Are you the one who does not enjoy the idea of banks? Well, it is true that we are very much dependent on bank services, but many people do not believe in the necessity of using a bank or even having a bank account currently. If you are the one who thinks the same, then congrats, because it's your first step to becoming financially independent. Financially independent means less reliance on banks. In today's video, we will discuss about going bankless and a quick guide so you can start your bankless journey and get financial freedom. Imagine a bankless world where people do not carry cash. There is no borrowing, no lending from institutions, no loans, no credit cards, and no savings accounts. This is going to happen in the future because there will be no banks. Does this world sound appealing to you? Well, fintech firms are already working on advanced information technology to compete with banks in different parts of their value chain. In the future, the purchase of real estate could be completed in just a few minutes. This may seem unlikely, however, the technology that is present means that this is not impossible. So, the question is, why go bankless? What things do you require going on this journey? Stick with us until the end to find all the answers. Going bankless can give you an opportunity for open finance. It's a journey towards freedom, self-sovereignty, and financial independence. The bankless goal is to become less dependent on two types of banks, which include central banks and commercial banks. And less reliance on banks doesn't mean that we hate them, but it just means that we don't need them anymore or need them a lot less in today's modern era. Bank representatives are also concerned that people are adopting cryptocurrency and going bankless. They think it will have a significant impact on the banking system. Especially, it may have a considerable effect on credit within the system. Banks work on this simple business model in which consumers deposit and banks hold it. Then businesses and others get loans, and everyone seems happy with it. In that case, banks will also have to revamp themselves, though it is unlikely for banks to totally unbundle. However, they can lose big chunks of what they offer right now. So, they have to adopt technology to meet their upstart competitors. Well, most people do not want to rely on banking services due to the perception of high fees and the assumption of difficulty with opening a bank account. In addition, some people think that banks gouge the public with extortionate interest rates and enticing people towards debt. These feelings of frustration and distrust may lead them to avoid using banks. But the crypto money system is proving to be a breakthrough, something that banks didn't account for, and it's the rise of the cryptocurrency industry. If you choose to go on this journey, you will ultimately reach the following milestones. Firstly, you will have more banking activity on crypto networks than in the old system. Secondly, you will have more net worth in crypto assets in this journey. However, practically, it's too soon to do this all at once. It is risky because this open money system is at its initial stages. Like other journeys, this too requires much effort and risk. We are not just assuming, but we are heading towards the West because there is gold. But if we take the right steps, there will be a massive upside of 100x profits, new economies, new assets, and an opportunity to become financially independent. There are two major personal goals to increase your crypto wealth and gain financial freedom. One is to develop your skills, and the second is to get all the knowledge to take back control of your money. It also contains some collective goals where our goal is to create a better system for future generations, and rejecting authoritarianism and providing sovereignty back to individuals and back to the people. Building an exceptional financial system for the world, enhancing access for the unbanked, and being a hedge against money printing. Essentially, it's about solving all the human coordination failures. By having goals in your mind, let's look at the resources you require on your bankless journey. You can join the Bankless program, which provides new things and information weekly. It also provides updates through its podcasts and newsletters. You can join the bankless community and you can stay in touch with the bankless nation through Discord. Eventually, you will have to gather starter equipment like an exchange account to buy crypto. In the US, Coinbase and Gemini are used for this purpose. Also, the other tools that include DeFi Wallet, MetaMask, and Argent. You will also require a hardware wallet for cold storage like Ledger. These are the most common and recommended bankless starter equipment. Well, with having the resources and equipment, you can start understanding the core concepts. Let's look at this skill cube, which is a map for understanding the concepts of the crypto money system. You will need to start with the first layer, which is the money layer. It is the foundation for everything in the bankless system. The two most essential assets in this money layer are Ethereum and Bitcoin. Increasing your crypto wealth means enhancing your wealth in these rather than in dollars, so it is highly recommended that you have a full understanding of Ethereum and Bitcoin. You will need to understand the basics of both networks and monetary policies. You can head over to the Bankless Guide to getting the knowledge of these networks. Moreover, it's not enough to learn about crypto and start investing. You have to buy it to realize all the upsides. The next layer to understand is the bank and protocols. In this layer, you learn about crypto exchanges and DeFi. After having the basics of these two layers in the skill cube, get grounded in some of the advanced bankless paradigms, such as why Ethereum and Bitcoin are digital nations. How does economic bandwidth explain why both are irreplaceable as money? With the understanding of these core concepts, you can start applying your knowledge. The next step is to develop key skills. The top layer of the skill cube contains money verbs that include earn, invest, borrow, lend, and trade. In the typical banking system, you will have to rely on banks, but in this bankless journey, you can start doing them without banks. Learn new tactics each time so you can grow your wealth in the bankless program. Aside from the tactics, there are also some key skills to develop. Pay and receive. Learn how to get a crypto Visa card and accept crypto payments. Bank your business without a bank. Lend and borrow. Learn how to use stablecoins for opening a bankless savings account. Make your own balancer pool and margin trade even without a brokerage. Trade. Learn how to use Uniswap and other decentralized exchange aggregators such as Matcha. Earn. Learn how you can earn money with crypto and find out how DeFi can pay for your expenses and even tokenize your services. Invest. Learn how you can dollar cost average into crypto and buy tokenized gold. Above all, learn about wallet and addresses, collectibles, gaming, trading, and betting. During this, you will learn new tactics to know about risks and options. You will also understand why security and privacy are very crucial when it comes to crypto. As you improve, you get comfortable with the system and understand what superpowers crypto provides you. However, these things are not easy, as you will need enough time to understand the complete process. So, that's it for the video. We hope you get a basic understanding of going on the bankless journey. This is a long and rugged journey, as we have to move from a typical financial system. But nothing is impossible. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and press the bell icon for more amazing content about wealth management and finance-related videos. Success is coming your way. Keep your doors open. See ya till the next time.